We got all the fish out, and all we have to do now is, well, put them in the small pond. Let's do it. Let's first dump them all in there. That's the small bass. Then a couple brim and 3 catfish. They're gonna be crammed in here, but I mean, it's a good sized pond, don't get me wrong, but I mean, still nothing. I mean, it's the big pond's twice this size, if not more. Probably closer to 3 times the size. Let's put them in. Flip that net around. Alright. Here on, it should be smooth sailing. Getting the big pond back up and running. I'll see you all in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe.